Assalamu alaikum. Good morning. How are you kids? You are looking tidy and fresh. That's great. Awesome. Okay. Today we are going to learn about birds. Yes. My dear kids, have you seen a bird flying high in the sky? Which bird you like the most? How does a bird fly? Okay, I am going to tell you some important things about birds. Okay, are you ready to learn? Okay, here we go. Yes, children, a bird is an animal with feathers, wings, beak, and a tail. Do you know? Birds do not have teeth. Birds can fly high by using their wings. They have two legs. They live on the trees or nest and eat fruits, insects, seeds, or grass. Okay, now let's learn about the birds. Birds. Some common features in the birds. There are thousands of different kinds of birds in the world. Birds are so beautiful creatures in the world. Some pictures of some birds. Birds have two legs and two wings. Yes. Birds lay eggs. Birds lay eggs. Yes. Next. Birds have a beak or a bill. Yes, wait. A bird is an animal with feathers. Let us learn about birds. Yes, there are some birds I'm going to tell you. First of all, bulbul. Yes, the bulbul is a very sweet singing bird. You can notice this blackbird singing merrily on tree tops. Yes, this one. Next is crow. Crows have black feathers with a large gray patch on the body. They are bold, aggressive, and very intelligent birds. Next, crane. Cranes are large birds with long legs, a long neck, and bill. They migrate to warm places in winters. Next, dove. Doves are beautiful birds with snow white feathers on their body. They are a universal symbol of peace. This is a sparrow. Sparrows are of small size. It is brown in color. Pigeon. The pigeon has gray feathers with a shiny green neck band. They make nests on trees and ledges. Eagle. Eagles are meat-eating birds. They have strong claws that grab their prey while in flight. Eagles have a hooked beak. Kiwi. Kiwis are found in New Zealand. These are very small birds. Kiwis cannot fly, but they are fast runners. Parrot. The parrot is a green colored bird with a red beak and red band around its neck. Parrots can talk like us. Pelican. Pelicans are good swimmers. They have large bills with a big pouch below it. Mainly, pelicans are fish eaters.
Birds have beaks, but they don't have any teeth. Flying high in the sky, and they can walk on 2 feet. Birds lay eggs and are warm-blooded creatures. They have backbones and they are covered with feathers. Birds say tweet, tweet. 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 Move like a bird. Move like a bird. Move like a bird. Move like.
So, hopefully, children, you have learned about birds. Do you have any pet bird at your home? Okay. Next time, we will learn about sea animals. Okay? Take care. Allah Hafiz. Miss you lot.